MagikarpUsedFly is a YouTuber who does gameplay and commentary, anything from like League of Legends to Tabletop Simulator. And we wanted to sponsor him because he has like a really loyal following and he's hilarious. And like, honestly, that's the type of stuff we always look for whenever we're sponsoring somebody. So the main inspiration for this PC is obviously Magikarp, which is his name. He came to us and was like, hey, I really like the Moondust computer that you did for your Coal Mine series. And you can actually go and check that out on our website. It's still live, it's sold, but it's still there and you can check that out. Basically, we were like, well, we don't want to just recreate Moondust for you. What if we instead give you like a vaporwave computer with a Magikarp twist to it? So that's essentially what we did for this computer. We, instead of using like the purples and blues, we went with more orange, reds, and yellows. Then what we did was we wrapped the outside with vinyl, and it's a color called Sunset Shift, and it's like this orange-red that kind of shifts depending on the angle that you're looking at it from. And basically what we do is we paint the computer underneath, and this time we did like a yellow color, and then on the outside we wrap it in vinyl and then cut out designs so you can see the paint sort of coming through these designs. And on the front we did the Great Wave, and on the side we did a Magikarp design with the name Magikarp in katakana. So the outside of the computer is sort of minimal and sleek, and so for the inside we wanted to add a little texture. And what we did was we created like a scale design and applied that to the cable management bar. And honestly, I think that's one of my favorite parts of the PC. It just really pops and adds a nice touch to it. Of course, we also love customizing the GPU backplates. So we created like a simple, minimal red and matte black Gyarados design. Something unique that we did for this build that we'll probably be doing in the future as well is we got a custom coolant dye kit, which means that we can sort of tweak the color of the dye to match the build as precisely as we want. And for this one, we obviously did an orange that matches the system really, really well. And that was a lot of fun. And also we had some fun with the tubing, creating some sort of unique designs with that. And of course, we also added custom cable sleeving in orange and white. Now, obviously this computer is jaw-dropping, but does it have jaw-dropping performance? The answer is yes. It's got an Intel Core i9 9900K processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super graphics card. Basically what that means is this computer is going to do exactly what he needs it to do with ease. He's going to be able to play games, edit videos, and upload content for all of his viewers and have zero issues. We really enjoyed making this computer. Sometimes it can be a challenge when you have an absolute blank canvas. And what tends to inspire some of the most creative design is when you're working within a constraint. And so when he came to us and was like, I want that vaporwave computer, it sort of gave us the framework for creating something super unique and cool and spinning off of something that we already loved. And the vaporwave design was already one of our favorite computers that we've ever made. I think it was a great opportunity to sort of remake that in a different way and add like a unique twist. And I think the final product came out almost even better than the first one. And that's always something that you strive for when you're designing computers or anything really. If you guys have any YouTubers that you love to watch and would love to see us make a computer for, go ahead and drop their name in the comment section down below. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for giving us the opportunity to do what we love, and we'll see you in the next one.